Top 10 Filipino TikTokers na pinakamaraming followers. Top 10 Sai Datinggino, 13 million followers. Top 9 Vanessa Alvarez, 13.4 million followers. Top 8 Wamus Cruz, 13.8 million followers. Top 7 Sanya Lopez, 15.8 million followers. Top 6 Zainab Araque, 16.5 million followers. Top 5 Vladimir Gran, 17.1 million followers. Top 4 Mona, 19.5 million followers. Top 3 Andrea Brillantes, 20 million followers. Top 2 Yanyan De Jesus, 21.9 million followers. Please follow for more videos. Sino kaya ang number 1 sa tingin nyo, mga idol? Okay. Number 1 reveal. Top 1 number 1 Filipino TikTokers na maraming followers ay si Yana Guerrero, 43.3 million followers.